Let's do a coaching technique together. Let's tune up your life and make sure you're on the right track. It's short, sweet, to the point. Here we go. Take a deep breath and blow it out slowly. Close your eyes. Think about this question. What's the main thing that you want to improve in your life? Keep your eyes closed and keep breathing. Do you know your answer? Say it out loud. No, really, say it out loud. But keep your eyes closed and keep breathing. Congratulations, you just made a goal. Now, I want you to think about how many hours per week you're currently investing in improving that thing or accomplishing that goal. Keep your eyes closed, keep breathing. Say the number out loud. Think about how that amount of time compares to other things that you're spending time on that you might care far less about. Not just leisure time, like things like watching TV or playing games or scrolling. It could even include working on other goals that aren't as important to you as this one. Is there room to withdraw time from one of those areas and deposit it to the time that you're investing in your main, most important goal? Progress cannot happen if we aren't taking action and making enough investment. The odds of winning the lottery are astronomical, but there is zero chance of winning if you don't buy a ticket. Each hour invested in your goal is another ticket that you've purchased that raises your odds towards success. How can you shift the focus of your time into your main goal? Because if you do, there's 100% chance that it's going to happen. Open your eyes. Let's get started.